morning. We just took a walk, took little Cammy down to our favorite bakery. How is it?
It's really good.
What is it?
A pistachio bear claw.
This one smells good. Yay! Do you like the Christmas tree? Do you like it? I am a dog. I have no thoughts. Yeah. So I changed my hair again. Are we surprised? Anywho, today I am making orange slice garlands. So I dried these orange slices in the oven a couple days ago, and today I'm gonna make a little garland, and I think I'm gonna attach some of these little sprigs as well and make a cute little thing to hang in the window. So that's what I'm doing today. So my mom gave me some fresh pumpkin from her garden, which she roasted for me. Thank you, Mom. And we're gonna make some pumpkin soup. Fresh pumpkin, which I just cubed right up. We've got some crushed garlic and ginger. And so hot tip, I was out of vegetable stock. And what you can do if you're out is just get how much ever you need of warm water and season it. It's not exactly the same, but it definitely works in a pinch. And then we'll need some milk as well. And then I saved the little skin peelings from the pumpkin for ham. So yeah, we're just gonna basically throw this all in a big pot and make some soup. Well, the pumpkin soup was a success. It's pretty delicious. And don't worry, No pumpkins were harmed in the making of this soup. Anyway guys, I think that is where I will leave you in this little seasonal holiday vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked this sort of like relaxing, not too much talking style. Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!